you are going to find over here in Ladakh, and it's good. Alright, Julley, and very good morning and salam. It's me Jigmet Vlogs from High Himalayas of Ladakh, doing another vlog on this beautiful day. And this is my 6 am journey. We are walk for almost 5 kilometer run, and it's a beautiful journey. You will see through this beautiful lens, and hope you all are doing very well. And I request you to be safe. Pray to the Lord for your good health, good safe, and be happy with your families and take some time spent with them. It's 6 am in the morning, and it's really cold to walk and exercise in the morning because last day we had a snowfall, and in the month of April it's not a common thing that happened early years having a snowfall, but this time we had a good snowfall, and it's really good for the agriculture activities over here at Ladakh. And it's mostly agriculture activities over here depends on the glacier water, so that's why it's a very good. Comment below the benefits of सुबह उठने का. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. But मुझे जो सबसे एक ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ जो लद्दाख में सुबह उठने का जो मज़ा आता है ना, वो एक अलग सा है, क्योंकि यहाँ एक इन्वायरमेंट एक ऐसे फ्रेश है, और सुबह सुबह बहुत शांति है. यहाँ ट्रैफिक भी उतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, और ये जब जहाँ भी आप जाओ ये खुला जगह होता है यहाँ पे, और एक इन्वायरमेंट तो बहुत पीसफुल है. तो मुझे लद्दाख में सुबह उठने का मज़ा क्या चीज़ आता है, पहले तो मुझे ट्रैक्टर जाने दो, उसके बाद मैं बता दूँ. ओके, वाई एक और गाड़ी. Let that go, then we'll start our एक और गाड़ी. They will not allow me to do the vlog. Okay, are you able to hear my voice? Maybe yes, maybe yes. The most important thing that I love to wake up early in the morning, and then sorry for the disturbance. अब एक और गाड़ी यार. नहीं यार, क्या मजाक हो रहा है यार, मजाक हो रहा है. Why I like to wake up early in the morning is this. Do you hear something? You must have to listen carefully. Something in the background. Yes? Yeah. That's the birds singing. I like that birds singing, very beautiful in the morning. And there are more than 230 bird species found in Ladakh, and some of them are rare birds that are found in high Himalayas of Ladakh, especially in Ladakh. And that's why I love to wake up early in the morning. मैं कह रहा था लद्दाख में 230 से ज़्यादा बर्ड स्पीशीज है, और जो आप बैकग्राउंड में नॉइस सुन रहे हैं वो उन कुछ चुने में से एक है. If you're enthusiastic wildlife and the birds photographer, I must recommend you to visit Ladakh, and there you will find probably more than 230 species of birds over it here. And that's the one beautiful scenario, beautiful things to look on Ladakh. Not just visiting monasteries, places and other areas, but I also recommend you to do photography of birds, and that's our very beautiful birds found in the black neck crane, the ibis bill. Even we have a birds club in Ladakh. If you ever want to know more knowledge about birds of Ladakh and the wildlife of Ladakh, you can contact them. They have a good knowledge about birds. The very beautiful birds that you are going to find over here in Ladakh. And these are my friend, some of my friends that I got to meet in this morning. Look how beautiful they are jumping. You just need to show love to them, and then they will probably show love to you. There they go. One is mother, another probably a child, but not the same one. They love to play with me this morning.